it's Danny from Danny the Horse Girl, and today I'm here with my mom, and we are going to be doing a tack up race. I'm really excited, so let's go. Dad, can you say me where to go? Look at Doc's mane, how long it is.
Huh? It's getting a little.
It's like floppy, look. Huh, Doc? It's like, I love his mane this way because it's not tingly.
On your marks, get set, go!
He didn't say go!
You better not run from that. I'm gonna scare you.
Easy, Doc.
Oh, my wrist! I'm at a disadvantage with my injury here.
No, you don't.
Come on, you guys can go faster.
I'm gonna get my thing done.
Ah, my thing is almost done.
Oh no! Just kicking my butt.
Oh, yes. Cinch is done. Now it's on to the rest helmet. Alright.
Ow.
Wait, there you go. There you go. Here. Here. No, no. Done. Done. I'm finished.
That was so close. I like clipped like seconds after you did.
That was so fun.
My oyster notch isn't done either because I put my cinch on the wrong hole.
Oh yeah, then I need that
So
one.
you really won.
Yeah.
It
That was fun. I want to do that again.
was stressful.
I want to do that again. Whoa, you're gonna get your helmet on. That one went faster than I thought it was going to.
Once I take on back up.
So guys, we are going to go on a trip. So I'm gonna go get my bridle on.
The bridle should have been part of the race.
No, because he has trouble sitting with this
You
bridle.
can't rush with him because he gets nervous to go to the bridle. Okay, go ahead. Oh boy. Don't bend it. Not be short. You must grow.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna hold that for you. Maybe this halter out.
Now the halter trick. This is really cool. So you take it off like that, then you bring it.
You can do this with a rope halter.
Yes, only with a rope halter. And you bring it through the mouth like this, and
Under the bit.
under the bit.
And ta-da!
Done.
Okay, get your jacket.
Now we're going on a trail ride. We're going on a trail ride like. Okay guys, I'm sorry we couldn't add on to the video. We were going to make a tack up English versus Western, but we couldn't because the horses were too riled up and we just couldn't. So, and it's a blizzard right now and it is terrible. This is the first snow of the year. It is terrible. I won't be able to ride much for a few months because it is very, very snowy and I won't have the arena, so yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.